I have a new note to tell you today, so let's do some review and we'll get started. Sing with me, go to sleep, here we go. Go to sleep now, little bird. Go to sleep and rest ye, while the breezes gently blow all around your nesties. That second phrase, we did go to sleep and rest ye. And you've told me, and we've discovered in previous lessons, that that second phrase is 5 notes moving up by step, and the third and the fourth note are closer together, meaning they are a half step apart. So we have loo, 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 loo. Those two are closer to each other than the others. So when we have 2 notes that are a half step apart from the bottom to the top, we can sing do, re, mi, fa, so, so. We can call it fa, and the hand sign is like this, thumbs down. The thumb is pointing to the half step, the note that it's closest to. Mi, fa. So fa is is pointing to me because that's where the half step is. So we can go do, re, mi, fa, so, so. Now this whole song, oh, let me show you. Fa, we can add it, putting so and me, and the hand sign, thumbs down. So now we can sing, go to sleep now, little bird, with all of our solfege. So I'm going to point to the solfege here, and we'll sing it in just a second. While I sing the words, I'm pointing to the solfege. Go to sleep now, little bird, go to sleep and rest ye, while the breezes gently blow all around your nesties. So now solfege, hand signs. Good luck, here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so. So, mi, so, fa, mi, re, mi. Do, re, mi, re, do, do. There are a couple of songs you already know that have fa in it. So see if you can figure out what I sing. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Brother John. So now, and then, morning bells are ringing. So now we're going to sing that whole song on solfege. Here we go. Good luck. Follow along. Do, re, mi, do, do, re, mi, do, mi, fa, so, mi, fa, so, so, la, so, fa, mi, do, so, la, so, fa, mi, do, do, so, do, do, so, do. A little tricky there, isn't it? Even for me. So here's another one. Why doesn't my goose sing as well as thy goose, when it paid for my goose twice as much as thine? It's only one in the whole song. Why doesn't my goose sing as well as thy goose, when it paid for my goose twice as much as thine? So, fa, mi, re, do at the very end. So now we're going to do that whole song on solfege. Here we go. Do, 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 so, mi, 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 do, so, 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 do, so, fa, mi, re, do, woo, so, fa, mi, re, do, straight in a row. So, there's another one. There's only 2 in this whole song. I don't care if the rain comes down, I'm gonna dance all day. I don't care if the rain comes down, I'm gonna dance all day. Hey, hey, carry me away, I'm gonna dance all day. Hey, that's where it is in this song. So let's do just that song on solfege. Good luck, not the motions. Let me make sure I'm on the right note. Here we go. Do, do, re, 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 mi, re, do. Mi, fa, fa, so. Do, do, re, 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 mi, re, do. Mi, re, re, do. Do, so. Mi, so. Do, 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 re, re, mi. Do, so. Mi, so. Mi, re, re, do. Actually, I was wrong. There's only one in that whole song. Last song. Early in the morning at 8 o'clock, you can hear the postman knock. Up jumps Ella to open the door. 1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letter, 4. Phrase 2 and phrase 4. Early in the morning at... So, early in the morning at 8 o'clock, you can hear the postman knock. Up jumps Ella to open the door. 1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letter, 4. Ooh, let's try that one on solfege. Ready on so, do, so, fa, fa, mi, re, re, do. So, do, so, fa, 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 mi, re, re, do. One more thing to tell you. With the introduction now of fa, we have a new scale, and it's called the do pentachord scale. And chord, penta is 5, do is what the scale is going to start on, penta still means 5. Chord in this scale means that the notes are moving by step. Pentatonic means there's a skip, but pentachord means there's no skips, it's only steps. So the definition is officially 5 notes with a half step. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. So now we have do pentatonic, the extended do pentatonic, the la pentatonic, and the do pentachord scale.